I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to use Canva for graphic design on your phone. First, download the free Canva app from your phone's App Store. It's available for both iOS and Android devices. Once installed, create a new account or simply log in if you already have one. You'll then gain access to thousands of professionally designed templates, making it incredibly easy to start your creative journey right from your mobile device. This quick setup gets you ready to design in minutes. After logging in, you can browse through a vast library of templates, categorized for every need, from social media posts to invitations. Simply tap on a template that catches your eye to begin editing. To customize, tap on any text box to change the words, font style, or size. You can also easily adjust the colors of elements and reposition them with simple drag-and-drop gestures, giving you full creative control. To truly make your design unique, explore the Elements tab. Here, you can add your own photos from your phone's gallery or choose from Canva's extensive collection of stock images. Enhance your visuals further by incorporating various shapes, icons, and fun stickers. Don't forget to experiment with filters and effects to give your images a polished, professional appearance, all with just a few taps on your screen. Once your masterpiece is complete, saving and sharing is incredibly straightforward. Tap the download icon to save your design directly to your phone's camera roll in high quality. You can choose from popular formats like JPEG for images or PNG for transparent backgrounds. Sharing to your favorite social media platforms, like Instagram or Facebook, is also just one tap away, letting you showcase your creativity instantly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.